Oh, shit. It no longer has a hat. That did not take him long to take it off.
I love him touching that thing.
Gotta say the snake no more.
He was like afraid of it at first.
Bring it here.
But look at Brandy.
Let him chew on it a little.
He looks like Barney when he's walking back in, Mom. It's like, oh, proud. There's Sammy. There's Brandy. There's Buddy. Can't wiggle it.
I like him stand on it. Throw it again. Throw it up on Mush, up on her lap. See if he goes up and gets it.
Oh, shit.
He's not a real dog.
Get this thing. Get it. Get it, buddy. Get it, buddy. Snake. Get the snake. Get the snake.
Come on. Come on.
Bring it here, buddy. Bring me the snake.
He's like, this is my master. I shall not bite.
Bring me the snake, buddy.
Go get it. Oops.
Bring it here.
At least he likes the thing.
Good boy.
Where's my cookie? There it is. I can picture Brandy. She's just like, this is so pathetic. I could go out and get a real one of those. Buddy. Buddy. What? Did Mom get you a new toy? I'm gonna just start laughing so hard if he brings that thing to bed with him. Buddy. 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 You little turd. Look at me.